Hey guys, so this is just a Tesco mini haul. So I have picked up these big massive packet of the multigrain Cheerios. This is actually, you can actually have 40 grams as a B of this. So I picked them up. I actually seen them on Picture Nom. My usual, they're free. The Heinz non-added sugar cream of chicken is 6.5 Syns. Now, as you all know, you may have heard that Slimming World have actually, like, because it has, some of it has free food in it, so they've actually like lowered their Syns down to whatever, but this one's 6.5, and then this one is your lowest at 2.5, and then laziness garden peas, they're free. You got your mushrooms, they are free. Your Weight Watchers, your low fat, they're actually one for your B choice, but if you have any more, it would be 6 Syns each. 6 Syns, sorry. Your apple and your strawberries, they're free. The new limited edition, the carrot cake, is actually 1 Syn. Actually, no, it says carrot cake 0.5, and that is the banana and custard is the 1 Syn, and but less the Sharwoods, a plain poppadom, the low fat is 1.5 each. So I actually do recommend, if you've made a curry and some rice, you could do like egg fried rice, your curry, and you can use your poppadom for 1.5. They are plain low fat, and I will be having those in the future, so I will let you guys know about them. But yeah guys, it was only a little haul, nothing too spectacular. I just stopped off at Tesco because I've been out today. Just stopped off at Tesco to get some stuff. Going to make some for my dinner for tonight. So yeah guys, I will, any comments, just put them down below and I will answer. I will, anything that I've said Syn wise, I will put in the description to double check myself, but I'm pretty sure that is all right. So I will see you guys in the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye.